Hi folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. And here's Linda, Miss Little Holloway. She likes to get in the corner.
Hi.
There she
Let me
is.
turn the camera a little bit.
And what we're gonna do today is she's gonna show you how she cuts a cantaloupe up. Anyway, very simple thing. It's just some people need to make it harder than others. So here she goes.
Okay, first of all, we're going to cut off the ends. And this is where I'm going to have Bert.
You got it?
And let me tell you, from the looks of this one, it looks like it's a good one. There's some yellow on it. And when you smell the end part right there, if it smells sweet, it should be fantastic. So we're going to find out if that's true or not. I know in the past that's how
You
we've
got
been,
it?
that's how we've been picking that cantaloupe. Now, you can just make slices if you want to. What do you think?
You're gonna cut slices?
Yeah,
You are?
yeah,
For real?
for real. We're gonna make slices. How about we do a couple of slices?
I never know what she's gonna do. I've never seen her cut it like this before.
I know, but sometimes life just needs a change. How do you want to cut it?
Folks,
Where do you want to cut it? You want to cut it down like that? Now we have done it this way. Just take the knife and go along the edge of it. Just want to be sure to get all that.
I never know what direction
Right.
she may be going. I guess that just keeps life interesting, right?
Well, it does for me. I don't know about you. But anyway, let's see.
What are you doing?
I want you to take that and take a spoon and get the inside out. You got to get the seeds out of it. Some people actually take these seeds and dry them and put them away for next year and put them out in the garden. We've never done that. It's hard to grow cantaloupe around here. You need really sandy soil, and we don't have that here. If you go down about 200 miles to a place called Emerald Isle, North Carolina, they grow some of the best cantaloupe you ever put your mouth on, but they've got sandy soil. Now turn it this way and get the green out. It's hard, let's say. I tell you what, let's taste it before I go to all that trouble. I haven't taken the time to cut them up so pretty, and then they were awful.
Go ahead.
Mmm. Good and sweet. What do you think?
We got a pretty good pretty good cantaloupe here.
So just take them and get the green off of them. And we have these for breakfast, supper, snack. They're good for you because they're full of water and it keeps you hydrated. I'm gonna give Bert the knife and he can finish it up. What do you think, Bert?
Thank you.
You're welcome. We also bought some corn today, and well, we've been to the grocery store. Bought some corn today, and we got another watermelon, and got tomatoes, and corn. I saw corn. What else did we get?
We found eggs at a local grocery store here. Anyways, they were selling eggs for $1 a dozen. So we decided we would get a few of those. That was a super buy.
That was really good.
Okay, we're gonna finish cutting this up.
Then we'll be back and we'll eat some more cantaloupe. I'm just gonna
You didn't cut it
I'm
all.
gonna let them watch you.
We'll see.
Look, I'm doing the knife the wrong way. Sorry. Somebody told me not to scrape the edge of it on this thing. And so I'm trying to remember, don't do that. So I'm turning the knife over to the flat side. Okay, Bert's cutting it up in chunks now, and it's really good. You said it tasted like what? Candy.
It's very good and sweet. It's good.
So we'll have plenty for breakfast and for the next couple of days, snacks. And
Linda loves watermelon. I eat it sparingly.
I love cantaloupe.
I mean, what cantaloupe?
This
I've
is
said.
cantaloupe.
That's twice I've called this yellow fruit watermelon. Sorry, folks. But you can see that it's definitely cantaloupe. It's not watermelon.
But if you live in an area where you got sandy soil, plant you some cantaloupe. It's good.
Y'all go get some cantaloupe, enjoy, and we will see you soon. Just remember to like, subscribe, share out our channel, In the Kitchen with YouTube, In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda on YouTube. And just remember, come up here.
I'm good. Hold on. I'm washing my hands.
Just remember, God loves you,
and
so do we, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Let's eat. I want some cantaloupe.